Alright, so today we are in the Bear Swamp Natural Area in New Jersey. And the parking really wasn't clear on this, so there's a sign up there that says Bear Swamp Park and Recreation. And then it says horse trailer parking. I think that's private area or private property. So it looks like some people use that spot as a parking spot, so we're not gonna be long. It's only me and Dano today. You scoping out the area for fishing, aren't you?
Maybe.
Today we're gonna try to find some ruins from a smokeless gunpowder factory. Alright, so I have coordinates for the ruins. And we're heading in the general direction. So we're nowhere near the coordinates of the ruins yet. And Danny spotted this off to the right. Let's hike on. Nice manicured lawn in the middle of the woods. But we're still on a hiking trail, so.
Not suspicious at all.
Yeah. Just a little odd, Danny. Not suspicious.
A little?
Alright, so we're getting a lot closer, and this is the first signs. I don't know if there was a building here. Certainly looks like it, huh?
Yeah.
Foundation. It's all throughout. Spider webs. Watch out, you're about to walk into one, Dano. You know, I hope this wasn't the building I saw. You knocked it down.
There's a bit of metal right there.
Huh. Alright, well, let's make our way closer. Alright, so I think we are in the area now.
There's another thing over there.
Yep.
Yeah.
They're like they're pillars or something.
This thing.
Let's try to make our way that way without going through a vast amount of thorn bushes here. Oh, head this way.
still up here.
Yeah, it is.
The tree is right over there.
It's actually pretty eerie, isn't it? So these pillars could have held the building at one time. Not sure. But they're all over. And they're pretty evenly spaced.
They extend even further down that way.
It does?
Yeah.
Like how much?
50 so feet. Not good with estimating distances.
Oh, there's a couple more pillars over here. So this mound you see to my left, it's actually man-made. Not sure what kind of production was going on that needed the mound to be built, but it's still pretty interesting.
Probably sewage piping. Right?
I know it's some sort of drainage system.
Well, since the extension ends about here.
Alright, so we're gonna head back over this way. Let's climb this mound, bud. So the mound ends there. Thorn bushes everywhere. I like that.
Nice place.
It is. Has some history.
There's how many more there are.
I don't know.
Saw a brick with a star on it.
Yeah, I saw that one too. So it looks like there could have been another building over here.
Could very well have been.
And there's some more of those pylons. Usually, pylons like that usually have tracks on them. So they're somewhat similar to the ones in Maurice River Bluffs, but on a smaller scale. So they could have had some sort of mining carts on them. I don't know the proper word for them. Come on, bud. On this side too.
This is really nice.
Let's go. Let's check out over this way first. So there's 4 here. This could have hosted a building on top.
Maybe.
So there's not a lot of history about this smokeless gunpowder mill. And it's believed that these ruins date back to the 1800s. That's actually kind of eerie.
What, the pit?
Yeah.
Long ways like this?
Yeah. It's like a grave almost.
Could very well be.
Huh. Alright, let's check this building out one more time. So this portion looks like it could have been a furnace. And the way that's designed with the brickwork above it, I don't know, it could have been a furnace too.
This area back here seems much friendlier than the one over there.
Oh yeah.
Less pillars, less thorn bushes.
Alright, so there's the star that Danny had mentioned.
Well, that's
And
the brand of the company.
It could be. And saw another brick somewhere along here with a different type of emblem. This one says, what does that one say? STR, that might be an I, Strider's FE, nope, that's an L, FLA. Striders maybe? Alright, so these are the ruins that we first saw before we walked all the way over that way. And maybe about 150 feet that way. So whatever this place was, it was certainly huge.
Mm-hmm.
Oh well. I'm going to see if I can see anything from historic aerials. If it is as old as we think, historic aerials may not be able to help. Alright, that concludes our explore of the Smokeless Gunpowder Ruins. And please like and share and subscribe to our channel. And click the notification bell. This way you are notified whenever we upload a new video to YouTube. And thanks for coming along. Bye.